Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to access your Wix dashboard. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Wix website. Look for the Log In or Sign In button, usually located in the upper right corner of the home page. Clicking this button will take you to the next step in gaining access to your site's management area. This is the initial gateway to managing your online presence. Once on the login page, you'll need to provide your credentials. Enter the email address associated with your Wix account into the first field. Then, type your secure password into the second box. Double-check your entries to ensure accuracy before proceeding. If you've forgotten your password, there's usually an option to reset it. This step verifies your identity. After successfully logging in, you will be immediately taken to your Wix dashboard. This is the central control panel for your entire website. From here, you can access various tools and settings to manage your online presence effectively. It's designed to give you a comprehensive overview and quick access to all the essential functions you need for your site. Your Wix dashboard offers a wide array of features. You can manage your site's pages, view detailed analytics about your visitors, and update your content effortlessly. Additionally, you'll find tools for marketing, access to your billing information, and direct links to customer support. Take some time to explore these sections to familiarize yourself with everything available.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.